Hi, I'm Biswajit Kundu Roy, CEO and founder of Coastr, and I'm here to talk about how Coastr is enabling shared mobility and reducing the number of private cars in the market. Did you know that only 6% of 2.4 billion cars in the world are ever fully utilized? Yet we continue to build more every year to pollute our environment and congest our cities. With car sales falling globally by over 25% in the last few years, supply chain constraints in manufacturing, and consumers looking for more flexible alternatives to car ownership, there's also an urgent need for more shared mobility solutions, which will also have a net positive impact on the environment. Statistics show that one shared vehicle can remove about 11 private vehicles and 13.2 metric tons of CO2 in a year. Car subscription and car sharing solutions are already on the rise globally. Coastr's vision is to enable the $450 billion global shared mobility market, which includes car rental, car sharing, and car subscription, by removing the silos from these fragmented business models and also surfacing the SME fleet segment that accounts for 40% of the fleet that is otherwise impossible to access online. Coastr's software as a service platform addresses the much needed technology gap in the market with a full stack technology platform to provide all core operational capabilities under one roof and remove silos from multiple fragmented legacy platforms being used by mobility operators across the world. For the larger fleet operators, our technology helps to remove silos in their operating model for greater sharing of fleet and resources to enable faster access to a shared vehicle on demand by their customers. For the smaller segment, we offer democratized access to superior technology and access to new demand. We heavily utilize connected cars technology to redefine the user experience, drive automation and efficiency in mobility and fleet operations. Our USP against our close competition is how we use open APIs to integrate with the most innovative partner solutions and create an ecosystem of integrated services to offer to our customers. This drives our mission to become the ecosystem that powers future mobility as a service platforms and aggregator businesses in shared mobility by seamlessly connecting them to a pool of shared vehicles in our network in real time. We have raised $2.6 million in seed rounds to achieve product market fit in the SME segment with over 100 customers across the UK and a fast-growing US market. We are now scaling up into the enterprise segment with an aim to become profitable in the next 12 months, with a strong demand for our comprehensive product in the market from notable brands. We also have an experienced management team and are supported by notable individuals from the industry, such as Hiroto Saikawa, former CEO of Nissan. Thank you.